here's how to enter estimated tax payments in TurboTax. It's pretty easy. It's going to be in the federal drop down here, and we go to Deductions and Credits. Inside of Deductions and Credits, you might see estimated tax payments here. You probably won't. If you haven't started this section, it's going to take you through a flow. It may ask you the question if you paid estimated taxes. If it didn't, or you don't see them ever, then come here to Deductions and Credits, scroll down, and one of these tabs here is going to say Estimated and Other Taxes Paid. When we drop that tab down, we're going to see Estimated Tax Payments. This is where you start that section, and you can go through the questions if it asks you any, and then it'll take you to this section where it allows you to basically fill in federal estimated taxes, state estimated taxes, any local, and then also 2023 taxes paid in the year 2024. Same thing with the local paid in 2024, etc. So on these federal estimated taxes, let's say that's the first one I want to visit. I'm going to start that section and then enter in the date that I paid each of my estimated tax payments. These payments are sort of quarterly. If you really look up the due dates, it kind of goes like 3 months, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. It's kind of weird, but it's basically quarterly tax payments. And then you enter in the amount you paid. Now, if you did make any extra payments, you can add another payment down here. So if there was an extra payment somewhere in there, you can go ahead and do that outside of these, just the first, second, third, and fourth quarter. After that, you hit continue. And then that will just tell you here's how much you paid in federal estimated taxes. And then you can do the same for state. It's the exact same thing. You select the state you paid them in, the date they were paid, and then the amount paid. Fill all that in, hit continue, and this is how you enter your estimated taxes. Now, once you've finished everything that is applicable to you here, you hit continue at the bottom, and it will probably take you back here, and then you can see, oh, here's my estimated tax payments, and that's like the total amount of estimated taxes I paid. And this is basically in the Deductions and Credits section, because you get a credit for paying your taxes, right? So that's how you can enter estimated tax payments on TurboTax.